Welcome back, everybody. Of course, we're in the middle of summer, so from traveling to making transitions, there's plenty of reasons to smile, right? But it's easy to let dental habits slide with all that excitement. In Fort Carson, there's a summer initiative to support specifically military families. And joining us right now is Mark Blankenship with Docs Dental. Mark, thank you so much for joining us. First off, we appreciate that. So can you explain the summer dental program? Who is it designed for?
Yeah, absolutely. So our summer dental program is designed for the military families, both those with little kids as well as the working spouse and, of course, the active duty service member themselves.
Yeah.
We know that summer is easy a time where there's lots of drill, lots of moving, PCS season. So it's very easy for some of your dental concerns to go by the wayside. So we are making it easier than ever for people to come in and get the care that they need.
All right, delve deeper into a little bit about that. So how does this program help kind of ease the healthcare burden on these military families?
Absolutely. So when you're a military family, you're used to a lot of moving, a lot of waiting, and when you go to a new community and you contact a dentist, many times there can be up to a 6-month wait just to get in to be seen. And if you're in pain or you have something that's concerning in your mouth, you don't want to wait 6 months. So we can get people seen as soon as the same day.
That's fantastic. And are both active duty and retired military families included in this program too? Or?
Absolutely. Not only them, but anyone who has access to the base can be one of our patients. We take almost every major insurance, and we have availability whenever the patient would like to be seen.
Yeah. You're talking a little bit, and I'm sorry for going a little bit personal on this, but your wife was an active duty dentist.
That's correct.
You were the patient at this time. So how important are programs just like this to kind of remain that continuity if you're moving from place to place, right?
Absolutely. Anyone who's gone through any type of move, from one city to another knows how hectic it is. And our military families are doing that every 2 to 4 years on average. Yeah. So as the military spouse myself, every time we moved, I had to find care for myself, for our children. You're making calls, and especially when there's a need and you're being told that, oh, you're going to be waiting 6 months, it puts a big wrench in everything. And so having that continuity of care between almost every PCS station that they could be going to across the country as well as in Europe, we want that to be an easier process for them to go from one base to another and still have the same company providing their care.
And that familiarity makes a world of difference, I'm sure. All right, so where can families go for more information to sign up?
Absolutely. If they go to docsdental.com, they can see a list of the bases that we are currently on, as well as get lots of information on helpful tips for their hygiene for their families.
Yeah, that's fantastic. Mark, thank you for being here.
Thank you for
program,
having me.
by the way.
I
We
appreciate
that.
it.
Yeah,
Thank you.
Of course. And you can watch all of our interviews, by the way, on our website, cbscolorado.com. All right, we're talking about